Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and greetings to you, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Trades by Chief. Uh, I'm here again to provide you a little insight into the levels that I marked before the week began, and how price has respected or reacted to those zones and the particular zones that I marked, and also to tell you about uh, the trade that I lost earlier today. So let's zoom in. Yeah. All right. So uh, where do I begin from? Okay. So let me take you to my let me take you to my my post. Let me take you to my post and the earlier submissions that I made before the beginning of the week. Okay, so this is the trade I lost. Let me look for. Okay, yeah. So this is what this was my projection earlier before uh, the the week began. So I stated that I am still bullish on gold if 4697.16 or 4675.33 or 4660 levels holds the fort. That is, to me, I see gold to still be or carry or still be bullish, right? So I'm saying that until these levels are broken, I am not switching my bias. I still think that gold is still on a bullish trend because I've been watching some YouTube channels during the weekend, and I've seen a lot of people projecting that gold is going to be bearish and all that. But I mean, the market is a diverse place, and everybody have diverse opinions and visions of what they see and per the information that they have. So you can't really push people to actually believe in your visions or what you also see on the market. So and then also I stated if this levels holds, I will be bullish till 4891.00 whilst keeping my eyes on these resistance levels. So I'm just reading this out to you, but I'm going to show you on the chart uh, why I stated all these levels. So I'm saying that I will be bullish till the level, this price here, 4891.00, whilst keeping my eyes on these resistant levels, which is 4749.34, 476 4764.78 or 4772.33, which can cause a minor retracement or total bearish trend. Overall, I will be reactive to what the market prints. So what I'm trying to say is that I could be wrong in this statement, but the market has the power to do whatever it so wishes. So I mean, these are my projections, but if it doesn't work, I'll look at what the market presents and then I'll go accordingly, right? So on the bearish side, I said if price breaks uh, the levels that I stated earlier, which is 447 4697.16, I mean all the levels that I stated earlier, then I will be bearish till 4500.72 before I switch bias again. So if price gets to this place, then I know that my bias will now switch from a bearish trend to a bullish trend. And so that was my statement. I wished everyone well. Cheers, enjoy your weekend and enjoy your week and be fruitful. W for wins, L for lessons, and trades by Chief, the liquidity surgeon slash king of sniper entries. So now let's dive back into the chart so I show you what actually transpired on the chart. So here are the levels that I marked. Let me zoom in because I want to show you well. I don't have the replay function, so I'm just going to show you what actually happened. So this was the first level that I was hoping could hold gold. These are the okay. So let me just get this pointer to. Do I even have it? I need to get it right. Where can I find that? Let me see if this works. Okay. Yeah. So these are the three levels. You can see one, two, three levels that I have marked that they are supposed to hold good for me. And if it holds the bullish trend, then I am going to be bullish till the price, which is way up here. Okay. I will be bullish till this side of price. So that was the statement. Now, what did markets do? Immediately market opened, it tapped on this zone, which was the first price level that I marked, which was the 4697.16. It tapped on there, but then it broke through. So once it broke through, I was looking forward to see what the second price will also do. So it looked to me as if the second price held the fort a little bit by pushing price back up into the zone where it was supposed to be. So after that sweep, after that sweep, or after price reacting to the second level that I have marked on, I I was not tempted, but I wanted to get in. I wanted to get in actually. And this was around somewhere dawn, around 3 a.m. thereabout. So I had I had my eyes marked on the level and seeing how the candle also closed. I was uh, waiting to see what could have been done. Mind you, this is on the 4 hour. I didn't stay here. I went to the 1 hour to take the trade, but I will get to that place. We'll get to that part where I took the trade and the reason why I lost the trade, and then I'll break it down. Sometimes things happens to you, and then now when you look into or you try to investigate what actually caused the loss, then you realize the mistakes that you did and all that. So I've seen the mistakes, and I'm trying to break down why I was still bullish on gold, whilst others were still bearish and looking for sales on gold. So it came to the third level. It slipped from the second, came to the third. The third, you see this 4 hour candle closing below the third level that I marked, but it closed back. But at this point, uh, price had taken me out already. So I just didn't want to get into I just didn't want to take any position again because I'm really not used to price taking me out of a position and then me trying to get back in again. Mind you, this is after a whole should I say 8 hours? Yeah, because I entered in here and then I got stopped here within that same 4 hour candle, and then this 4 hour candle also came, but I still wasn't interested in taking a trade, so I just left it open, and I left my index. But I came back and I realized that the predictions that I have on gold had played out very well. So I think I mean the levels that I marked were very very good potential strong levels that I got, but it was me getting into the trade. I think I was too quick. I entered too early, so I got kicked out. But that's not a problem. I mean, once you know what you are doing and you are well informed on price action and what price has to do and why price is reacting to a certain level and all that, I mean that is very good. So I'm not bothered about the loss. I know I'm going to get back in with I mean a very good price or a very good yeah, position. So that is it. So now, uh, this is this is the levels that I spoke to you about. So I just wanted to share with you uh, why I got these levels. Okay, I'm not really sharing with you, but I'm just trying to let you know why I marked them and how price reacted to the levels. I think they are good levels that held and that held my that what should I say? I think no, I made a good decision marking these levels. They are not just random decisions. Uh, I will later on or someday, I mean, give a brief introduction into how I see levels and how I mark them and all that. So we'll get into that some other time. But now I'm just trying to give a little insight into the levels that I marked on gold and how price have reacted to them. So I think this is beautiful and it's amazing. So now let me get this off. Now let me let's dive into the part where I took the trade. That was on the 1 hour. That was on the 1 hour. So uh, so yeah, this was the candle that got me interested to take a trade. Uh, so you see that after this candle closure, uh, I think I was induced. I was induced into thinking that well, this is the level price is going to hit, and so I will be able to take a trade. I mean, let me just not pretend as if it wasn't a mistake or something. I was induced, yes. So after price, let me get this tool again. Uh, After price had taken off this level or reacted to this level, this second level that I have marked, uh, look at this candle closure. It wasn't a great candle closure, but I think it induced me because I had an alarm set on this level. I was asleep at the time. So uh, when the alarm triggered, I came back to the chart to see what was really happening. So I looked into it and I realized, well, it looks good. Why don't I just take a trade? At this point, this candle was almost somewhere around this level here, around this level here. Okay, so what I should have done now, this is the mistake I made. I should have waited for the third candle to be closed. I should have waited for it to be closed because if I had waited for it to close in a bearish, or if I've waited for it to close, seeing that it closed in a bearish candle or it closed bearish, then I would have made a better decision. But I think my sleepy head uh, got so much induced into the price action. So I took my trade on this candle. Uh, Let me get the buy to. I took my trade at this level. Yeah, with my stops here. Yeah, targeting this side. Targeting this side. You see where exactly this candle is reacting from now. That was my target. So uh, I mean, this is all evident. I mean, let's go back to YouTube. So I show you the levels that these are the levels. I mean, just so you know, people sometimes like to fantasize things after they have happened. But I want to show you proofs that I mean I'm not here to please everybody, to please I'm not here to please anyone. I am here documenting my traits and trying to be truthful to myself and hold myself accountable. So I'm going back to my post. Mostly, I said that I don't have. much time to be making videos because I don't want to be a YouTuber. I only want to be documenting my trade via videos and via sharing posts and all that. I mean, though I have a journaling software, but this is also another way of me trying to hold myself responsible. So, okay, so this is the trade. This is the trade I took. So this is the trade I took. I said, let's go making some bread again. And then I give the entry and then the SL and TP. So if you check the TP is 4748.30. So that is it. 47 um trying to open this. So where's the TP? Okay, 4748, but this exactly is 4749. So I mean, uh, it's I mean approximately close to what I've stated here. So that is it. I called this trade out, and then it was playing out well until I realized that the candle that I saw very bullish closed bearish, and so it took me out from the trade. Not that particular candle, but 2 hours later, the 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 I mean the price action took me out from the trade. So that is it. I realized my mistake, and I'm ready. I'm going to I don't know if it might happen again, but I will be cautious next time by waiting for uh, I mean, a better confirmation. This bullish candle closure was a doji. It wasn't really a good form, but the way I saw this candle pumping all the way up, it got me induced, and it got me placing a trade. And then 2 hours later, after placing the trade, I was kicked out of the trade. But that is it. I wasn't, I mean, enthused to take another trade. So this is what happened. You see, it held the third level. Candles also broke out of the third level, but this bullish candle also confirms that no, the trend is going to change. But I wasn't ready to go in again because I actually even wasn't seated. I wasn't seated at the time, so I'm just coming back to see what price has done, and also to document, or I mean journal my trade on YouTube. So this is what price has done. The levels I marked, they are really on point, and I think they have delivered. Uh, they have delivered. They have actually delivered. So this is quite a little breakdown that I wanted to share with you. Now, if I am willing, if I'm willing to get into the trade or to get into another trade, I will want to see these lows go. I will want to see uh, these lows taken. I will want to see these lows taken. Yeah, because uh, that is what my my what should I say? That is what I will be comfortable. That is exactly the level where I will be comfortable with to take a trade. So I just wanted to share this with you. I'll be back to share any updates or any positions that I take on trades, I mean on gold again. So that is it. I also shared my weekly analysis on Nasdaq. Nasdaq is doing wonders. So let me see if I can have that also broken down for you. So let's go to Nasdaq and then see what we can also say about that. So let me go back and check on my weekly analysis or my weekly insights for Nasdaq. Okay, so here was my post on Nasdaq. So here is what I stated. I said favorably, no, favorable entry point on Nasdaq for me is at this level at 228,463.31. and 28,200.